Have you ever pondered over the enormity of the universe and its infinite mysteries? One of the most enigmatic phenomena in the cosmos are black holes. But what exactly are these celestial entities? And how have our understandings and perceptions of them evolved over time? The concept of black holes has been around for more than 2 centuries. John Michell, an English geologist and astronomer, was the first to propose the idea in the late 18th century. He theorized about the existence of dark stars, celestial bodies with gravity so strong that not even light could escape from their clutches. Fast forward to 1915, when Albert Einstein unveiled his groundbreaking theory of general relativity. The theory proposed that massive objects cause a distortion in spacetime, which is felt as gravity. A few months later, German physicist Karl Schwarzschild found a solution to Einstein's equations that described the gravitational field of a point mass. This solution is now known as the Schwarzschild radius, the boundary within which escape from a black hole becomes impossible. In the mid-20th century, more pieces of the black hole puzzle started to come together. The term black hole was coined by American physicist John Archibald Wheeler in 1967, replacing the less catchy, gravitationally completely collapsed object. The first black hole, Cygnus X1, was discovered in 1971. It was detected by its X-ray emissions, a common characteristic of black holes. This marked the beginning of a new era in astrophysics, as it provided the first concrete evidence that these enigmatic entities exist. In the 21st century, breakthroughs in black hole research have been nothing short of astounding. In 2016, the detection of gravitational waves by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, provided indirect evidence of the existence of black holes. The most momentous discovery came in 2019 when the first ever image of a black hole was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. It was a watershed moment in our understanding of these cosmic giants, providing visual proof of their existence. So what have we learned about black holes? They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have undergone a catastrophic collapse under their own gravity. While black holes are notorious for their destructive capacity, they also play a critical role in the cosmos. They help to regulate the growth of galaxies and are the driving force behind some of the universe's most energetic phenomena. In conclusion, black holes are a testament to the infinite complexity and wonder of the universe. From John Michell's dark stars to the first image of a black hole, our understanding of these cosmic phenomena has grown exponentially. Yet there is still so much more to understand and discover. The enigma of black holes continues to captivate us, driving the quest for knowledge about our vast, mysterious universe.